Alright guys, here at Walmart. This is actually my local Walmart, but I really don't like this Walmart that much. We do have some Unmatched figures, but it's the first series. We have Kenny Omega, we have Miro, Britt Baker, Dustin right there. We do have some top picks, Jeff Hardy, or like I always say, AEW Jeff Hardy from his AEW debut. Goldberg, the Walmart, no, this isn't the Walmart exclusive Cody. This is just the regular Unmatched Cody. They have 5 of them actually. And then we have more Miro, Dustin.
Who was not the Joker.
Who was not the Joker. Nope, Miro was not the Joker. Nope, it was Johnny Elite. Yeah, it should have been Johnny Gargano. Santana, Miro again, Miro, Dustin, Britt. Yeah, pretty much the same stuff, guys. We have an Ortiz back here. Yeah, pretty much the same. We have this Trish and China 2-pack. And then we have some AEW basic rings up here. That's about it. All right, guys, I'm back here, back at Target, and look what we have over here. Elite 91, Hulk Hogan, and Elite 91, Rob Van Dam. And they actually have 2 Hogans, as you guys can see right there. We also have Kevin Owens, Austin Theory, another Kevin Owens, as you guys can see. Mustafa Ali from the previous set. We have Charlotte, Elite 92. Top picks The Rock. Still a Legends China. Let's see. Top picks Rey Mysterio. This is a pretty sweet Rey Mysterio, actually, I do have to say. And Mean Mark Callis. But yeah, pretty good selection. And all of the Batistas are gone. No surprise there. No surprise there. I knew those would fly off the shelf. And of course, a bunch of Frankie Kazarian. And there isn't anything new on this Legends rack. Yep, pretty much the same that it's been. And the WrestleMania shipper is completely empty, except for a basic Bobby Fish. Oh, we do have Io Shirai and China down here. If you're in the market for wrestling figures, I just want to note that ULTFC, that's ULTFC, saves 10% on everything at Ringside Collectibles. All right, back here at the NECA section, nothing new for Turtles, but it definitely looks like a restock because it is pretty stacked overall. A bunch of Universal Monsters, this Chucky, Bride of Chucky 2-pack, that's pretty cool. Yeah, still Frogs and Muckman, which I feel like every vlog I'm saying, but there hasn't been a Turtles restock.
No, it hasn't.
But look at this. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then, what about this one, guys? The kitchen scene. Come on, that was everybody's favorite Jurassic Park scene, right? I know it was mine. Here we have the Eartha Kitt Catwoman. This is a pretty cool figure. Is it? Yeah, it's the Eartha Kitt Catwoman. Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Just for confirmation, yep, it is in fact the Eartha Kitt Catwoman. I don't think she's ever had a figure before. I kind of want to buy this just because she's never had one. Or if you happen to be in the market for some other collectibles like Funko Pops, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, then ultimate.figure.collector saves 10% on all in-stock items at Entertainment Earth. Alright guys, outside of GameStop, gonna head in, gonna look for these AEW Unrivaled and Unmatched figures. I know they've been hitting a lot of GameStops recently.
Alright guys, so we stopped into GameStop to check out some of their items, the collectibles, looking for those AEW figures.
Yeah, I've heard they've hit GameStops a lot recently.
Ah.
So here we have at GameStop Unmatched Series 2 Santana, and we have Series 7 Nyla Rose and Cash. And we also have the Wrestling Buddies, Cody Rhodes right here. And an exclusive, is it a GameStop exclusive? Yeah, GameStop exclusive Cactus Jack.
Nice.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Yeah. Here we have some Star Wars Black Series figures. This is the fake Chewbacca from Book of Boba Fett.
Yeah. Box.
I want to believe that.
That's pretty
That
cool.
is pretty cool, yep.
And
It's
also
got the mutants in it.
Coca-Cola polar bear.
Yeah.
If you have like a Coca-Cola fridge, this would be cool to put on top of
That
that.
would be awesome.
Yeah.
That would be awesome. Here we have the Luke Skywalker with Grogu.
Yeah,
There, that's a pretty cool pop.
it is.
And here's the DC section at GameStop. They do have Colin Farrell as the Penguin from the new Batman movie. And they also have Bruce Wayne right here. And down here we have the Bat Cycle. I think maybe that's it from the movie. But yeah, not really anything good as it pertains to the AEW. So probably gonna head to Walmart next. And right over here, guys, you can see in the distance, they do have some NECA Michelangelos here at GameStop. Alright guys, here at Walmart, look, they have Unmatched Series 3. We have Stu Grayson, we have Anna Jay, the regular one. Behind her, we have John Silver. And then we have another Stu Grayson.
Oh.
They do not have Evil Uno, and unfortunately, no Brody Lee. So I'd love to get that Chase Brody Lee.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, we don't have it today. I don't have it, who knows? We also have the Walmart exclusive LJ and Cody Rhodes.
Nice.
We have one of him, a bunch of Carmella. They do not like Carmella at this Walmart, or really anywhere. And then we have the wrestling buddy Sting, which this is my first time seeing this on retail. So that's pretty cool. I used to have the whole as a kid. We have Top Hits Goldberg, and we have the movie John Cena from Fast and Furious, and we just have a bunch of basics, and 2 AEW.
Pops are $40 now?
Here we have a Walmart exclusive D-Generation X pop. 2 pop, pretty cool. Here we have Superstar with Play. I know some people collect these. I don't collect them, but I know they're actually pretty popular. See the robe right there.
It's cloth.
Yeah, it's cloth, yeah. Nothing as far as NECA goes. I don't know, guys. Is it just me, or does it seem like pops are really starting to make a comeback? For a while, it seemed like they were starting to fall off, and people were like selling their collections, but it seems like it's making a comeback.
Yeah. I feel like they always kind of keep interest.
Yeah.
I think it helps whenever there's new pop culture to come out that people wish that they had to collect. So I feel like whenever pop culture makes a comeback, then pops make a comeback.
Fair enough. Well, they picked the perfect name. Alright guys, so I'm at another GameStop, and here they have Matt Jackson, Series 7. They have Nyla Rose, Series 7. Another Nyla Rose, both the standard ones. They do have a Nick Jackson, and then they have the regular Lance Archer. And I did find this right here, Series 8, John Moxley. You guys might remember I got the Chase John Moxley for my last ringside order, so I still need the standard one. Yeah, and now I finally got it here at GameStop. And they also have Elite 91, Bianca Belair. Here they have a big Pikachu that Brittany just pointed out. They also have the Michelangelo here, the NECA movie Michelangelo.
They have a lot of cool merch. They have an Animal Crossing lamp.
Oh yeah. This GameStop also has the NECA Raphael as Frankenstein as well. Here they have a Valentine's Day Grogu figure. Brittany also just pointed this out, or Pop, what am I saying? I did see these on Entertainment Earth, but this is the first time I've seen them, seen them at retail.
No, with the membership it's cheaper. It's like about $10.
Here we have the Eddie Guerrero pop, an advertisement for it with the lowrider. That's really cool. That's really cool. I haven't seen that before. And then Mankind, it comes with a lunchbox. Very interesting. Debut Mankind. And here we have Stone Cold. How cool is this hat? Come on, guys. I kind of want to get this just to wear around the house.
When next Super Nintendo World opens up, that's a must.
Yes, that's a must. Good point, good point. They also have a Yoshi wallet here. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so here with the Ringside mail call. Let's see what we got here. We got Evil Uno. And just so you guys know, this is the damaged packaging, Evil Uno. And as you guys can see, looks completely fine to me. Looks completely fine to me. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. Chase and a J.
Oh.
Wow. Another Chase, 1 of 5,000. And then, wow. Amazing. And then here, we have John Silver. The box is, once again, not that, I mean, yeah, it's a little beat up here. But, I mean, hey, you save some money if you don't care. Get the damaged packaging. Not
You're going to rip it open in a second anyway.
I'm going to rip it open in a second anyway, so I don't care. I save some money.
Yeah, right?
And then here we got Stu Grayson.
Nice.
Who unfortunately is no longer with the company, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. And of course, guys, you can get all of these great figures from Ringside Collectibles by using discount code ULTFC. That's ULTFC to save 10% at Ringside Collectibles.
Yeah, you never know what you're going to get.
No, you never know. You might get a Chase like me.
That's true.